Mastering bookkeeping basics. Types of businesses. Types of business activity. Our society is made up of all kinds of different types of businesses. We should all already be familiar with the types of businesses since we are around and use them all the time. Well, what are they? We have retailers, wholesalers, manufacturers, and government agencies that supply us products and services. What is a retailer? A business that sells products and/or services directly to the consumer and other businesses. Examples of retailers: retail stores and shops, grocery stores, restaurants and bars, plumbers, electricians, hospitals and doctors, lawn services lawyers, airlines. What is a wholesaler? A businesses that warehouses and sell large quantities of products to the retailers who in turn sell it to us, consumer, other businesses, and sometimes sell directly to the consumer. What is a manufacturer or construction type of business? A business that tackles the task of actually producing the products and sell to retailers, wholesalers, other businesses, and sometimes directly to the consumer. Examples of manufacturers: home and building construction, car manufacturers, computers. What are government agencies? Organizations that supply services to the public that the for-profit business sector do not feel that they can provide and make a reasonable profit. Examples of government services: roads and highways, schools, garbage collection, police and fire services, utilities, parks and recreation, public transportation, buses. See, I told you you would already be familiar with the types of businesses, but a refresher doesn't hurt. That's all, folks. See you in the next session.